Hi, welcome to my channel, Yoga with Disha. Thank you for joining me for today's very exciting yoga stretch we're gonna do. Today we're going to be discovering simple stretches for yoga technique. If you are a first-time viewer to my class, I would request you to like, share, subscribe to my channel. So today we will be doing simple stretches for technique. I'll give you an example why this will. So today's simple stretches will offer solutions for technique. What do I mean by technique? Are you a constant smartphone user? Are you usually hunching your neck when you're looking at your smartphone? Usually we are hunched over our computer for an extended period of time. Here are some of the yoga stretches that will help you alleviate your neck pain and get rid of technique. So the first posture, the first stretch we're gonna do is we're gonna take your hand, placing it on the crown of your head, and from here we're gonna slightly stretch your head, feeling that stretch in your shoulder girdle, stretching your head, and you're gonna take your left hand, just placing it on your kneecap, and slowly stretching your neck over to the right hand side. You want to make sure you're not overextending, you're lengthening your spine, you're not hunching, you're not slouching. You want to make sure you have a straight spine when you do this. So the first posture, I call it the head to the side stretch. We're going to take your right hand, placing it on your crown, and from here straightening your neck, straightening your spine, slightly tilting your head to the right hand side. Left hand stays on your left kneecap. Softening your gaze, taking a few breaths, inhaling and exhaling. Releasing your hand over to the other side. Left hand over to the right hand side of your crown, stretching your head, feeling that stretch in your shoulder girdle, placing your right hand on your right kneecap and releasing. So we're going to do these stretches 2 times on both sides. Next stretch is we're just basically going to look to the right and looking to the left. Looking to the right, looking to the left. And we'll do these stretches 2 times each on both sides. So the third stretch we're going to do today is rolling your shoulders backward and forward. So we're going to take your shoulders, straightening your back and rolling your shoulders forward, focusing on your breathing, making a nice and big circle, relaxing your face, and then switching sides. So switching the direction of your shoulder roll. And releasing. So we're going to do these twice on both sides. The fourth stretch, what we're going to do is known as a seated side bend. So what we're going to do is we're going to take your right hand on the mat, left hand goes up, and we're going to make a nice and big imaginary circle. So your hand's going to be just above your left ear. You want to make sure your breath is consistent. And over to the other side. So placing your left arm on the ground and right hand goes up. Focusing on your breathing, inhaling and exhaling. And releasing. Very good. So we're going to do on each side twice daily. So the last and fifth stretch we're going to do are known as the head circles. So we're going to take your chin, placing it on your sternum, and then we're going to make a nice and big circle. So what this does is it stretches the muscles and the ligaments of the neck, which is what we're looking for. You want to make sure you're still sustaining a straight spine. You're focusing on your breath. Head circles, tucking your chin to your chest And then switching sides. Our head circles twice on both sides. If you are suffering from headaches or migraines related to your technique, or neck pain that comes due to the overusage of your smartphone, these 5 postures will really help you prevent. Some of the benefits of these 5 postures is that they help alleviate migraines that are related to technique. If you dig my vibe, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I would also love to hear back from you, so do leave a comment. Stay tuned to my channel. I will be posting regular videos, anything related to yoga, movement, and wellness. I really hope today's video helped you out with your technique. Namaste.